Morning!
Good morning!
Hi!
Buddy, good morning!
Punta na tayo sa work. Nakita natin dun yung ginagawa natin sa trabaho sa isang araw.
Daddy, speak louder. Mommy said, track the internet. Wow! Nana, follow me.
I'll follow you.
Hey, what? Hey, what? Hey, what? Bye-bye, Daddy. Love you.
Love
Bye-bye,
you.
Daddy. Love you.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! So, dito ako nag-work. Yan, halos outdoor area siya. Look, Sheila, that's why it's expensive. It's tracking me. It follows me. See? See? It's like focus on me, Sheila. It follows me, whoever I'm with, see? It's looking at me. Prep. Ano pa ba kailangan ko? May cheese na ako doon. May barbecue sauce. Yung mga sauce natin. Ketchup. Chili sauce. And aioli. Sa pang salad dip, pre. Ito all day. Tapos sa pang RGM sa akin. May extra basket ba dito? Yan. Ano man kailangan ko ginagamit sa basket dahil sobrang busy. One minute. Ready na rin, Chini? Okay. Okay. Yep. Hey! Break time! Break time. So, ikot tayo sa kitchen. And so, chef natin, Chef Carla. Hi, Chef! Prepping. Hindi na busy, kaya ano sila? Prepping. Yan ang kanilang burger section. Hi, Diggy! The Nepali. N8. Yeah! Our sous chef. Chef. Yeah! Then, salad section, Nate. The apprentice chef. Yeah! And sections from the grill, pans, preso ni Jared. Ito pwesto ko, pero break time na ako as of now. Yeah, chef, break time. I go home. Prep section. Hey, Sebi.
Bye.
Why was your device?
tayo maglinis na muna. Cooking. Tapos lang, mahabang araw, linis naman ng kitchen, hindi pwedeng nagamit pa yung sa kabila, kaya magtimba muna tayo. Yung kagandahan dyan, yung mga tira natin belly, malulutong sisig. Leg chef. Turn off na natin. Pagkatapos na nakakapagod na araw linis pa. Alright. Yep, ligpit. Malinis na. Malinis na. Oh, nasaan ang sisig ko dyan, pre?
Andito.
Ayan. Salamat. One take away. See you. See you next week again. See you guys. See you. Thank you. See you, Diggy.
See ya.
See you. See you guys. Thank you for the day.
Chef, actually, lovely.
Me?
Me? I'm going
The three kids?
the kids and your lovely wife?
Yeah.
I'll get them out that way and I'll be at the front for you.
Oh, okay.
Is that okay?
I'm gonna go out now.
Oh, we're going out? Awesome.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Close na. Hello guys! Susundo na tayo. Ayan, may sundo na tayo.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, wait, baby. What? Did you play?
Yes.
No.
I'm holding.
See you, Jeff.
See you. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you. Close na. Wala na tao. Bye. Thank you for the day. Ay, lamig. Alright, there's our car. Oo, lamig. Whew! Yan guys, tayo tapos na. Para 7 na, kaya uwi na tayo and see you sa next topic. Bye!